Welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss the most underrated career in aviation. So you want to work in aviation, huh? Maybe you want to fly the big metal birds or be in control of air traffic or maybe even become a cabin crew member. Well, those careers are pretty common. They're great options and they're covered all over YouTube and Instagram. But if you really want to fly, then you've got to consider this career. It's not glamorous, it's not easy, but it's crucial to getting everyone else airborne. So, let's talk about it. Now, you can probably guess from the title of this video that it is aircraft maintenance. Now, you might be thinking, hold up, airplanes are so complicated. I could never do that job. Well, here's some good news for you. You don't have to be a natural engineer to be an aircraft maintenance engineer. Let me tell you a little bit more about it. Aircraft maintenance engineers are responsible for the maintenance and the repair of aircraft. They check the functionality of the plane's various systems, inspect them, maintain them, and repair them when necessary. Aircraft maintenance engineers work in several sectors, including airlines, leasing companies, maintenance facilities, and more. They can specialize in several areas such as avionics, structures, power plant or airframe and equipment. This means they can focus on one particular part of the aircraft, which interests them the most. Depending on their experience and qualifications, aircraft maintenance engineers can also be involved with the modification and the alteration of aircraft. In general, they are responsible for maintaining the airworthiness of the aircraft. If you don't know what airworthiness is, it basically means the aircraft is safe to fly. If it were a car, it would be like the NCT or the Ministry of Transport test. In Ireland, where I'm from, they make sure the aircraft is roadworthy and safe to carry passengers. They sign off on the aircraft before every takeoff. Without their signature, the pilots cannot take off. So they are literally the most underrated people in aviation. Pilots get the fame, but maintenance engineers get the responsibility. Now you might be wondering, why are they so important? Well, let me break it down for you. The main reason is safety. Aircraft maintenance engineers play a huge role in making sure the aircraft is airworthy. They spot potential problems before they become major ones. They do regular checks and inspections to ensure everything is working properly. If anything is not right, they fix it immediately. This helps to prevent accidents and keeps everyone on board safe. If you think about it, it makes sense, because planes are machines, and like any machine, they require regular servicing. You wouldn't get in your car if it hadn't been serviced in years, would you? Well, that's what these guys do for planes, and they're the unsung heroes of aviation. Without them, planes wouldn't be able to fly. Another reason aircraft maintenance engineers are so important is because they help to save airlines money. If an aircraft is not maintained properly, it can lead to costly repairs down the road. However, by catching problems early and fixing them, maintenance engineers can help to prevent these costly repairs. They also help to extend the life of the aircraft by keeping them in top condition. This means that the airline does not have to spend money on replacing parts that are not necessary. So not only do aircraft maintenance engineers keep everyone safe, but they also help to keep costs down. Now, you might be asking yourself, what qualities does it take to be an aircraft maintenance engineer? Well, here are just a few. First and foremost, you need to be detail-oriented. You will be responsible for finding and fixing problems with the aircraft, so you need to be able to pay attention to detail. You also need to be able to work as part of a team. After all, you will be working on the same aircraft with other engineers. You need to be able to communicate effectively with them. Finally, you need to be able to work under pressure. There is a lot of responsibility that comes with being an aircraft maintenance engineer. You need to be able to stay calm and focused when the pressure is on. Now, let's talk about education and training. If you want to become an aircraft maintenance engineer, you will need to have a strong foundation in math and physics. A high school diploma or equivalent is typically required. Many aircraft maintenance engineers also have an Associate S or Bachelor S degree in aviation maintenance technology or a related field. Once you have completed your education, you will need to complete an apprenticeship with a certified aircraft maintenance facility. This will give you the hands-on experience you need to become a certified aircraft maintenance engineer. If you're interested in becoming an aircraft maintenance engineer, you should definitely look into it. It's a great career with lots of opportunities. Plus, you'll be doing an important job that helps to keep everyone safe. Now, let's discuss the salary and benefits of being an aircraft maintenance engineer. Aircraft maintenance engineers earn a median annual salary of $79,290. On the low end, salaries can range between $64,930 to $84,650. On the high end, salaries can range between $93,940 to $114,670. Aircraft maintenance engineers typically receive the following benefits. Some of the benefits include medical, vision, and dental insurance, paid time off, retirement plans, and tuition reimbursement. Many aircraft maintenance engineers also receive flight benefits such as travel discounts and standby or jump seat opportunities. So overall, being an aircraft maintenance engineer can be a very rewarding career both financially and personally. Now let's talk about how you can start your career as an aircraft maintenance engineer. Here are just a few tips. First, get educated and trained. As we discussed earlier, you need to have a strong foundation in math and physics. A high school diploma or equivalent is typically required. Many aircraft maintenance engineers also have an Associate S or Bachelor S degree in aviation maintenance technology or a related field. Once you have completed your education, you will need to complete an apprenticeship with a certified aircraft maintenance facility. This will give you the hands-on experience you need to become a certified aircraft maintenance engineer. Network with other professionals in the industry. Attend aviation events and join professional organizations. This will help you meet people in the industry and learn about different career opportunities. Look for job openings and apply. Start your career with an entry-level position at an airline, maintenance facility, or other aviation organization. With hard work and dedication, you can advance to higher positions within the company. So if you're interested in becoming an aircraft maintenance engineer, start taking steps towards that goal today. It's a great career with lots of opportunities. Plus, you'll be doing an important job that helps to keep everyone safe. Now let's discuss why aircraft maintenance engineering is a great career choice. Aircraft maintenance engineering is a great career choice for many reasons. First, it is a high-paying career. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, aircraft maintenance engineers earn a median annual salary of $79,290. Second, it is a career with high demand. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects that employment for aircraft maintenance engineers will grow by 5% from 2021 to 2031. Third, it is a career with a lot of opportunity. There are many different places to work as an aircraft maintenance engineer, including airlines, maintenance facilities, and the military. Fourth, it is a career that is constantly evolving. The aviation industry is constantly changing and evolving. This means that there is always something new to learn as an aircraft maintenance engineer. Finally, it is a career that makes a difference. Aircraft maintenance engineers play an important role in keeping the aviation industry safe. They are responsible for maintaining and repairing aircraft. This helps to ensure that aircraft are safe to fly and that passengers arrive at their destinations safely. So if you're looking for a career that is well paid, in demand, has a lot of opportunity, and makes a difference, then aircraft maintenance engineering may be the career for you. Now let's talk about some of the best places to work as an aircraft maintenance engineer. The first place to work as an aircraft maintenance engineer is at an airline. Airlines hire aircraft maintenance engineers to maintain and repair their aircraft. This is a great place to work if you want to be based out of a major airport and work on a variety of aircraft types. Another great place to work as an aircraft maintenance engineer is at a maintenance facility. A maintenance facility is a company that provides aircraft maintenance services to airlines and other customers. This is a great place to work if you want to specialize in aircraft maintenance. Finally, another great place to work as an aircraft maintenance engineer is at the military. The military has a large fleet of aircraft that need to be maintained and repaired. This is a great place to work if you want to work on a variety of aircraft types and contribute to the important mission of the military. So if you're interested in becoming an aircraft maintenance engineer, be sure to check out these places to work. They offer competitive salaries and benefits, opportunities for advancement, and the chance to work on a variety of aircraft types. Plus, you'll be contributing to the important mission of keeping the world safe. And that's all for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the most underrated career in aviation, which is aircraft maintenance engineering. If you're interested in starting your career as an aircraft maintenance engineer, Be sure to check out the resources below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Check out www.harmonicsaircenter.com.